Sip and Indulge, plant-based beverages to pair with sweet comfort. Welcome back, fellow comfort seekers, to Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living. Following our previous indulgence in sweet plant-based comforts, today, we're diving into the world of comforting beverages that pair perfectly with these delights. We're excited to guide you through this delightful experience. What's better than a cozy sweet treat? Pairing it with a comforting plant-based beverage. Let's explore some delightful pairings to enhance your cozy moments. Segment 1. Plant-based comfort beverages. Let's start by exploring a range of comforting plant-based beverages. Creamy chai latte. Indulge in the warming spices of a creamy chai latte made with plant-based milk. Its aromatic flavors perfectly complement the sweetness of cinnamon sugar donuts. Herbal infusions. Sip on a soothing herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint, a perfect match for warm pumpkin muffins. The sweetness balances beautifully with the herbal notes. Plant-based hot cocoa. Wrap your hands around a velvety cup of plant-based hot cocoa to accompany chocolate-dipped strawberries. The cocoa intensifies the chocolatey experience. Spiced vegan hot apple cider. Sip on a fragrant spiced hot apple cider infused with cinnamon, cloves, and a hint of citrus. This warm beverage perfectly complements the sweetness of warm apple crisp, creating a symphony of autumn flavors. Creamy matcha latte. Indulge in the earthy goodness of a creamy matcha latte made with frothy plant-based milk. Pair with vegan banana bread for a delightful treat. Segment 2. Creating cozy moments. Pairing comforting beverages with sweet plant-based treats is not just about flavors. It's about creating moments of pure coziness and indulgence. Mindful sipping and nibbling. Take a moment to sip and savor, allowing yourself to be fully present and appreciative of these delightful combinations. Sharing joy. Share these pairings with loved ones, spreading warmth and joy in every sip and bite. Segment 3. Embracing plant-based hygge. Let's delve deeper into the concept of hygge and how it beautifully aligns with our plant-based comfort pairings. Cozy ambiance. Create a cozy ambiance by incorporating elements like soft blankets, plush cushions, and warm lighting. These additions enhance the warmth and comfort of your space. Natural elements. Embrace the natural world by bringing in potted plants or displaying seasonal foliage. Nature's presence adds a calming touch to your hygge setting. Mindful presence. Practice mindfulness while indulging in these comforting pairings. Be fully present, appreciating each sip and bite as a moment of blissful indulgence. Closing segment. Savoring plant-based comforts. As we conclude this comforting experience, may these plant-based beverage and treat pairings infuse your days with cozy indulgence and heartwarming moments. If these pairings have sparked your interest, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends seeking plant-based comfort, and subscribe for more Green Goodness content. Questions for our viewers. Where are you in your plant-based journey? How do you find comfort and incorporate hygge into your home and kitchen? Comment and let us know. We want to hear from you. Thank you for joining us in savoring these moments of warmth and sweetness. Until next time, may your sips be comforting, your bites delightful, and your hearts be filled with plant-based goodness. Contact us for more information and questions regarding incorporating plant-based comforts and hygge into your lifestyle. Stand by for upcoming episodes with more sweet, green goodness. Stay cozy, stay indulgent, and stay tuned for more Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living.